episode of Miss Sara's super special Summer SRP Storytime. We have another color going on this week. Do you know what color it is? I have a lot of clues for you. Can you look around? What's the color? Can you guess? It's purple. Yes, this week we are celebrating all things that are purple, and what better way to celebrate it than with a purpley event with Nathalia, a bilingual family musical show. So cool. But remember, you can't watch any of the shows unless you've signed up for the SRP program. Well, how do you do that? You go to srp.rivlive.net and you can sign up the entire family. But this week is so important. Why? Because Nathalia is our grand finale. There's no more performances after her show this weekend. So from Friday 7 p.m. to Sunday 7 p.m., that's it. That's all you have left. That is your last chance to watch a super amazing summer performance. Nathalia has some great music that's perfect for the whole family. So make sure you guys sign up. Now, let's get on. I have another special guest. All the way from down the hall, the Quinta Creation Station, we have Miss Michele. Miss Michelle's gonna show us how to make a super cute, awesome, amazing pipe cleaner lavender flower. What is that? You'll have to watch to find out. So everybody, take a seat and let's say hi to Miss Michele. Hi, Miss Michele.
Thank you for inviting me to join you today, Miss Sara. Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Michele from the Creation Station. And today, I'd like to share some fun facts about one of my favorite flowers, lavender. And then we're also going to make a fun craft of pipe cleaner lavender flowers. Won't you join me? To make our lavender, you will need a pen or pencil, 3 green pipe cleaners, and 3 sets of 2 pipe cleaners in shades of purple. First, we'll take 1 green strand and fold it near the middle. This will be your stem. Not all 3 stems need to be the same height. Next, take 2 strands of your purple pipe cleaners and twist the ends together to make a large strand. Now, pick up the pen or pencil and lay the green strand on top. Carefully wrap the purple strand around the pen and the green strand, while tucking in any pieces that might stick out. Don't wind it too tight because once you reach the end, you'll need to carefully slide the pen out from the flower and then adjust it to your liking. Finally, fold the other end of the green strand in half and twist it to make a leaf. Repeat these steps at least twice to make a bundle. You can change the length of the stem or the colors since lavender comes in various shades of purple, blue, pink, yellow, and white. Did you know that one of the most popular scents used in essential oils is lavender? This is because lavender has been shown to be highly effective in helping others relax with its soothing scent. Herbal teas infused with lavender can help you fall asleep, help with anxiety, improve your skin health, and has shown to strengthen the immune system. Once you get close to finishing your final flower, don't make your leaf just yet. Instead, gather your lavender together and wrap the unfolded green stem around the bases of the other stems and then wrap it around the stalk, tucking the end in to avoid the sharp point. You can show off your lavender plant year-round or make one for someone special. Thank you again for letting me stop by and share my craft. We'll see you later, makers. Bye!
Look at that! thank you, Miss Michele, for showing us how to make this super cool, super simple pipe cleaner lavender flower. Look at that. Look at how amazing that is. Oh, that was so great. Thank you again, Miss Michele. You're the best. Now, I have a very purpley book to read. Why is it a purpley book? Because it's called The World Needs More Purple People. What's a purple person? Do you know what a purple person is? I don't know. Let's read the book and we'll find out what a purple person is. Let's be sure we give a big thank you to Penguin Random House for giving us permission to read this book. Here we go. Now, you may be asking yourself, why in the whole wide world would I want to be purple? Have you asked yourself that? Purple is a magic color because it's made when red and blue work together. I think all the best things in the world are purple. But you're probably wondering, what does that have to do with people? Wow, you're a genius. Because you're already on your way to becoming a purple person. You want to know why? Step 1, ask really great questions. Ask really great questions. My dad says purple people ask great questions. Questions about everything, even questions about questions. Hey Dad, how far away is outer space? Have you ever met a dolphin? How many dolphins live in outer space? That's a lot of questions. Purple questions are the kind that help you learn something really big about the world or something really small about another person. How tall is the world's tallest rainbow? What's your bear's name? Charlie. Dad says the more purple questions you ask, the more purple you become. How many do you think there are? He's talking about the stars. He also says I can only ask him 20 questions about space dolphins per day. Step 2, laugh a lot. My grandma says purple people laugh a lot. We're always laughing together, and I mean like snot out of our nose laughing. Oh, it's so gross. We laugh at books. We laugh at jokes. How do you make a tissue dance? Do you guys know? It's Grandma's joke. How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it. Get it, a little boogie. We laugh about donkey dances and hairy elephant knees. And we especially laugh at Grandpa's funny noises. Purple laughing helps us remember the things we share and forget what we thought made us different. And it's almost impossible to be angry when you're laughing. Try it, I dare you. Grandma says the more purple laughing you do, the more purple you become. She also says Grandpa's noises are her favorite funny noises in the whole wide world. Step 3, use your voice. Don't lose your voice. My mom says purple people use their voice and don't lose their voice. She encourages me to use my voice to sing. My dad is the one with the hairy chest who loves me more than all the rest. To give good ideas. Let's wear monster costumes to school. And to share my opinions. I personally feel like we shouldn't have to eat Brussels sprouts because they smell like sweaty socks. Ew. Sometimes people lose their voice, and that's okay. It happens. A purple voice helps someone who's having trouble finding their own voice. Purple people don't just speak up, they listen. Maybe you can tell them you don't like it when they call you that name. Want me to help you? They're helping each other. Mom says the more you use your purple voice, the more purple you become. Mom, can you help me with my play? She also said she heard my opinion on Brussels sprouts, but I still have to eat them. I'm gonna have to work on a better argument. Step 4, work hard. Super duper hard. My grandpa says purple people know how to dig in and get stuff done. He and I like to work hard while building things and while we learn things. and while we grow things. Purple work is the kind of work that's done together to change something that needs changing. What do we want? More playgrounds. When do we want it? Now. Fix things that need fixing or help someone that needs helping. Grandpa says the more purple work you do, the more purple you become. He also says no purple work has ever been done while sitting on your backside sipping strawberry lemonade. That means you gotta get up and do something. Okay, are you ready for the last step? Are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? Are you really ready? Okay, drum roll please. Step 5, paint yourself purple. Look at that, paint yourself purple. Just kidding, just don't do that, just kidding, don't do that. That's not the way to become a purple person. Actually, being a purple person has nothing to do with what you look like. My teacher says purple people look all sorts of ways. They're big and small, old and young. Some wear cool coats, some wear shorts with lots of pockets, and some wear funny hats. She says some purple people feel blue sometimes and red other times. And some purple people even have green hair. Step 5, just be you. The real you. Like my teacher said, purple people come in every color you can dream up and every size you can think up. The only way to be purple is to just be you, because you are the only you we've got. So those are my surefire steps to turning into a purple person. Wait a second. You ask really great questions, and you laugh a lot, and you're a really hard worker. You are. And you are totally you. Well, I'll be a llama's mama. You've been beautifully purple this whole time. I'm sure glad you're a purple person because the world needs more purple people, just like you. The end. Oh, it's such a great story about being a purple person. Let's all be purple people. Yes, I think we should all be purple people all the time. It would be so much fun. So much fun. Well, friends, that about does it for our purple story time this week. Don't forget, we have Nathalia's bilingual family musical show this weekend to watch, so make sure you sign up so that you can watch it. I think that's about it. We have one final song. All my purple people, stand up nice and loud. Let's sing together. Are you ready? Here we go. We had a good day. We had a great day. So pat yourself on the back. We had a good day. We had a great day. So pat yourself on the back. We thought a lot today. We learned in many ways. So kiss your brain. Mwah! We thought a lot today. We learned in many ways. So kiss your brain. Mwah! If you had fun today, then please say thank you. I can hear through the flowers. You are all very welcome. If you had fun today, then please say thank you. You are all very welcome. So we'll say so long and end with the song until I see you all again. So we'll say so long and end with the song until I see you all again. All right, my purple friends, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to tune in next week. Next week is our grand finale, Rainbow Week. So great. So don't forget to tune in next week, Tuesday, 11:15 a.m. So until then, have fun being purple. Bye.